Afternoon all, and welcome to a sunny afternoon at Maxland. By popular demand, I'm just going to do a very quick video on how to replace the absolutely useless cubby in the centre of the Facelift dashboard. Obviously, we all know you put anything in it and all it does is reflects off the windscreen. It's poop. So, dead easy to change. Lift out the rubber bit, put it somewhere safe. Using a trim tool or a screwdriver, pop off that side piece and the driver's side piece. With a T20 Torx, you need to undo the screws. There are only 4 of them. Yeah, it's the story of my life here, can't get this in the hole. Try not to lose the screws, although if you buy your replacement cubby from me, they always come with the 4 screws you need. Tucked down there, that one, so just get those out of the way. And simply lift that part out. Remember, put it somewhere safe, because you might want to refit it one day. If you look at the screws, there are actually 2 different ones. God, that's rubbish. One with a big washer, one with no washer. The big washer goes in the front screw there. The one without the washer goes in the rear screw. Well, that's where they should go anyway. There you go. Drop the new one in, he says, and replace those 4 screws. I'm not going to bother doing it now. If you can't put 4 screws back where you got them from, then should you even be working on your car? Close your lid down and then refit your trim panels. Just clip them in place. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Jeez, and this is me sober. Looks so much better than that stupid little cubby. Alright, hope it helps. If it did, give us a like, share the vids and subscribe. Cheers guys.